Welcome to the Global Online Academy course, An Introduction to Programming. I'm Stephen Gracia, and I'll be helping you to learn how to write programs using the Java programming language. I hope you're as excited about taking the course as I am about teaching it. There are a number of overall course design elements you should be aware of as you start the course. The course is organized into lessons, numbered lessons 0 through lesson 6. You can navigate to the content of each lesson on the Pages tab of Haiku by selecting the lesson number from the choices along the left-hand column. Not all of the lessons will be visible all of the time. I'll publish lessons periodically to make them available to you. Each lesson will include a suggested timeline as the topmost element in the center of the lesson page. This shows the work you need to accomplish to master the lesson. My color convention is that line items in blue require you to read or watch something, line items in lavender require you to write some Java code, line items in yellow require you to take a quiz, and line items in red require you to take some other action, such as posting to a discussion database, downloading some software, updating a document, and so forth. Most lessons will have a handful of short videos for you to watch that provide the new material for that lesson. You can watch these as often as you want, pause them, repeat them, etc. Beginning with lesson 1, the next lesson, you will be writing actual programs that you must submit for a grade. For some of them, I'll provide you with some starting code that you have to modify in order to demonstrate the new programming features you've just learned. Some of the assignments are longer programs, which require you to synthesize what you've learned and write new programs from scratch. Each assignment comes with detailed instructions and a rubric for how it will be graded. You can submit assignments as many times as you want. Your grade will always reflect your most recent effort. Now, what's Lesson 0 all about? It's about using technology tools to get to know one another as classmates and to establish a more personal relationship with me as your instructor. There are 3 separate activities you'll undertake. You'll participate in a threaded discussion in our class discussion database. This is lesson block 0.b. Each of you is going to post an entry in the discussion database that introduces yourself to the class, tells us something about you, what you like, why you're taking the class, what you hope to get out of it, and so on. You're then going to respond to at least 2 other students' entries. Finally, you're going to respond to at least 1 response to your initial post. This is going to require that you go into the discussion database several times over the course of the next few days. The second activity is that you will participate in a Google Plus Hangout that allows us to have a multi-person video chat. I'll be hosting these every week. I call them office hours, and usually they'll be optional. Join in if you want to or need to talk about something. This week, though, I'm requiring you to participate in one of the office hour hangouts, both to make sure you get to meet some of your fellow students and to make sure you've got the technology set up properly so that we can communicate when we need to. This hangout is listed in the calendar as lesson block 0.c. The third activity is for you to update a spreadsheet of contact information that includes your name, school, physical location, preferred email address, and your Skype user ID. Make sure that you add a row to this spreadsheet with your own contact information. Lesson block 0.d lets you access this spreadsheet. Now there's also a 4th activity, but some of you may already have taken care of this. It's that you'll schedule a time to have a one-on-one Skype session with me so we can discuss the course, your background, what to expect throughout the semester, and so on. Lesson block 0.e gives you the details of setting up this Skype session, but you may already have Skyped with me before the course started. If so, then you can skip this activity completely, unless you want to talk to me again. Welcome to the class. I look forward to meeting you online and helping you get started in the exciting world of computer programming.